Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we're going to be trying a Chips Ahoy McFlurry and an buttermilk crispy chicken sandwich and some French fries. So first of all, we're gonna try these French fries because like I know if you've ever been to Wendy's, you're supposed to take your French fries and dip it into the Frosty. So we're gonna dip it into the McFlurry first. No, that's not it. That's not it. That is not it. Alright, now we're gonna try the Chips Ahoy McFlurry.
Yo.
Okay. Right off the bat, you get the creamy and the crunchy of that Chips Ahoy.
What the fuck are the cookies in this?
They're at the bottom. Wow, that's like amazing. Alright, now we're gonna try. I've already reviewed the French fries like 7 times. I'm already reviewing them again. Quick review. Disgusting. Not hydrate. No, it's called better. Burger King. Yeah, 10. Then they done near burnt my damn bun. Look at that.
Assholes.
Hate Tyler Creator. Alright, first we got lettuce. Yeah, I'll show you the inside. Lettuce, chicken, mayo. I got rid of the, it comes with a tomato. I don't like tomato, so I didn't get it.
He legit told the cashier to go check out his YouTube channel.
I know, dude. He plugged it to the game cashier. I mean, she was kind of bad, though.
Well, dry. Way too salty.
Is there any sauce on it?
Yeah, mayo, but they put like this little smell. Can you give water? Can you give me water? Thanks.
Did you not get a drink?
No, I didn't feel like it. No, I'm good. Dang. Really salty, but still amazing.
Pull it down, bro.
Bun is perfect. Perfect.
Whoa, come here.
Okay. Final rating.
It's fucking hot.
Final rating. 8 out of 10. Not that great. Won't get it again. Now the perfect bite.
If you're not gonna get it again, why would you give it an 8?
I don't know.
Give like a 6.
Actually, no, 4. Alright, now we're gonna do the perfect bite. French fries on it. Thank you, Ryan. Take the bite. That's dry. Okay. I realized I just bought a McChicken, just in a different name. What the heck is wrong with me, guys? Alright, that's gonna wrap it up for today. Shout out to Ashton. You can plug your snap if you want.
Ashton_Taylor56, homie.
No, you guys, I don't like you. Alright, and that's it. Peace out, guys.